Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm checking out the slim card holder from Correa Creative. Let's check it out. So if you want to see my unboxing video of the slim card holder from Correa Creative, I'll put those links below if you didn't already see it. But let me give you guys a nice close-up of the slim card holder here. And while you guys are checking this out, let's talk about some of the features. So the slim card holder is a vertical style minimalist wallet that can hold up to 6 credit cards and some cash in its 4 pockets. It's made from full grain Pueblo vegetable tan leather from the Badalassi Carlo tannery in Italy. And it's hand stitched with polyester braided tiger thread. And you have your choice of multiple color options for both leather and thread. And all the wallets from Correa Creative come with a lifetime warranty on the stitching. So what about the dimensions here? It comes in at 3 inches by 4 inches. And according to my weight test, it comes in at 1.6 ounces. That's 44 grams. All right, guys, let's talk about the slim card holder here so we can determine if this is the right wallet for you. So right here, it does come with a little cardboard card that has all of Correa Creative's socials and their website right there on the back. But let's throw this off to the side here and let's start talking about the quality of this wallet. So it's probably no secret by now, but I'm a big fan of Correa Creative's wallets, and this guy is no different. And the reason why I like this company so much is because of the quality of materials used, the quality of work, and just the styling of their wallets. I'll give you a nice close-up of the stitching right here. You can check out this work for yourself and you can see what I'm talking about. This is some top-notch work here. And I do like the styling of their wallets. You can see they have a pretty unique style, and they absolutely do not skimp on the quality of leather. This is Pueblo vegetable tan leather from the Badalassi Carlo tannery in Italy, and I absolutely love this leather. Look at that texture right there. You can see that if I get it right in the light. This is some very high quality leather here. Some of the absolute best leather that tannery offers. So it feels really nice, very, very high quality when you hold it in your hands. And on top of that, just like the minimalist tulip wallet that I reviewed from Correa Creative, everything here is just done so well. Let me give you a look at the burnishing here. Look at this. This is some really nice work. I'm just going to keep going right around the wallet so you can see what I'm talking about. There's not one single edge here left unburnished. Even on the back side here with these cuts for these pockets, every single cut is nicely burnished. And now let's check out the logo right here. The only branding on this entire wallet is just this little logo stamp right there on the bottom corner on the front. And it's going to be no surprise that this wallet passes the smell test. Smells like heaven. So in the quality category, I give this wallet an A+. So what about the styling and function? So let's get to that right now. So the styling of this wallet, we have 4 separate pockets. We have a multi-card pocket right here on the front. Then we have a quick access card pocket right here on the back. And then one more right above that. And then right dead center, we have a dedicated spot for your cash. So we'll see how that works out, because usually I'm not a fan of center pockets between 2 card pockets that are supposed to hold your cash. Only because once you have cards in either one of those pockets, it constricts that middle pocket to the point where it's really hard to reach in there and grab cash. So they say this can hold between 4 and 6 credit cards. So I have 6 flat demo cards right here. So the way I've been rocking this wallet is I have my most used credit card right here in that front quick access pocket. And I really don't have a second most used credit card, so I usually put my GPS tracker card or my ID in that second pocket. So there's 2, and they say up to 6. Here's 4 more cards. And I said this is a multi-card pocket. And as you can see here, it does fit those 4 cards pretty easy. And because of this fairly large cutout right here, getting any one of those 4 cards out is pretty simple. Use the fan method, take out whatever card you want, and fits right back in there. Pretty nice. So the styling and functionality of this wallet is pretty nice. You can see no issues getting my cards in and out at all. Now, some of you might not like this front pocket here for your most used credit card because it does leave a lot of your credit card exposed. But that's not a problem at all. So just swap places, put your second most used card right there in the front, put your most used credit card in the back, and as you can see, takes care of that problem. And that back pocket doesn't inhibit functionality at all. As you can see, it's just as fast as this front card pocket. Now, what about if you're a cash carrier? Well, as you guys know, I'm not the biggest fan of the middle card pocket for cash, especially when it's sandwiched in between two cards. And as you can see, once we have cards on either side of that cash pocket, it does make it slightly more difficult to pry it open. And the Correa Creative website doesn't really state how many bills the slim card holder can handle, but I have 5 here. I'm just going to start by folding them into quarters, stick them right there in that center pocket. But as you can see, only with 5 bills folded into quarters, it does affect that thickness of this wallet considerably. And you can already tell that they took into consideration that it's difficult getting the cash out of the middle because we only have 2 little stitches right there on the bottom. So we have plenty of room to pry this middle cash pocket open. And because of that, it doesn't make it too difficult to get your cash out, but it's still not my favorite design choice. So what about if you fold your bills in half? Will they still fit? Well, as you can see, it's just about the same width as your bills. So technically, yes. But I have the maximum amount 6 cards in here, and because of that, it's pretty difficult to get these 5 bills in here folded in half with that many cards in this wallet. So what about just 1 bill? Say you just rock a $100 bill wherever you go. That should be plenty of cash, right? And yeah, I don't suggest folding your bills into half here, especially when you have 6 cards. It just makes it too difficult to get into that cash pocket. So let's talk about what I like about the slim card holder from Correa Creative. First off, the quality of materials is top notch. Pueblo vegetable tan leather is some of the finest leather in the world, and you can definitely tell once you hold this wallet in your hands. The craftsmanship here is top notch. You can see that here just by how nice the stitching looks. And you can see by every single edge being finely burnished that there's a lot of care that goes into these wallets. And I do like the style of this wallet with these 2 quick access card pockets on the back side and this multiple card pocket here on the front. And of course, we have to talk about that lifetime warranty. If anything goes wrong with the stitching, if the stitches come undone, send it back to Correa Creative and they will fix it for you for free. All right, so now let's talk about what I don't like about the slim card holder. Well, guys, I've never been the biggest fan of a middle cash pocket that's sandwiched in between 2 card pockets, just because it makes it somewhat difficult to squeeze your fingers in there while these cards are putting pressure on that middle pocket. And yes, Correa Creative did alleviate that somewhat by only putting 2 stitches right here at the bottom and giving us a pretty generous opening here for your cash. But still, if I had to pick a negative, that would be it. But other than that, I don't see anything else wrong with this wallet. So would I recommend the slim card holder? Yes, absolutely. It's difficult not to recommend anything from this company. I said it in my last review, I honestly think that Correa Creative is one of the best wallet makers in the world, and they just keep proving me right. Excellent materials, excellent craftsmanship, and excellent quality overall. Yes, I like it. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the slim card holder from Correa Creative? If you want to check this wallet out for yourself, I will have links below in my description box, along with my original unboxing video of all the Correa Creative wallets. If you haven't seen that, I would highly suggest you check that out. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!